Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will try to show you how you can see your golden birds are male or female. This can be hard to see, but we try. If you look at this bird, you can see the red on the back, so it's a male. But if you look here on this bird, it's only gray at the back, so it's a female. And when the male is about 16 months, it will look like this. This beautiful bird. But now it's only gray and red on the back. So this is a full growing. And this is a young male. Beautiful birds.